For this experiment, you can use any type of nut. Nuts are full of fats which have lots of stored energy in them. So when you light it on fire, they will burn because a candle is made out of a wick and fuel, which is the wax. And as you burn the wick, the wax melts. In this case, you're using the fats inside of the nut as the wax, and you also use the nut as the wick as well. Different nuts will burn differently, so if you have multiple types of nuts, you can try different ones. I use the sliced almond because they're very easy to light. The thicker the nut, the harder it will be to light. So the first thing that you do is you cut a banana in half so that you have a nice flat stretch of banana, and then you get to decorate it with chocolate chips. Or sprinkles or anything you like, really. It's just decoration.
We're doing chocolate chips.
We are doing chocolate chips.
Go.
And so you put a sliced almond in the top, and then you get a parent or another grown-up to light it, the almond, on fire. And you have a banana candle. Wasn't that cool? And now you get to eat your candle. So for next week's experiment, you guys are going to need cornstarch and water, and that's all. We're going to make oobleck.